Hello students, I am pretty much sure that you all know what a chemical reaction is. But do you know how many types of chemical reactions do we have? No? Then let me tell you. There are 5 various kinds of chemical reactions, namely combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction and redox reaction. But today we will specifically be talking about redox reaction. So what I said, redox reactions. So I feel that redox is something new for you, a new word. Now just see that redox is a combination of 2 words, red and ox. Red refers to reduction while ox refers to oxidation. Now the question is that what reduction and oxidation are. Only if we know that what oxidation and reduction are, only then we will be able to understand what a redox reaction is. So let us first understand the meaning of oxidation and reduction. So to understand the concept of oxidation and reduction, we have various theories. At first, we will be discussing about the oxygen concept to understand what a reduction and oxidation reactions are. See, when we say oxidation, upon saying oxidation, an element must come to our mind, that's oxygen. So the oxygen concept states gain of oxygen is oxidation, and always remember that oxidation and reduction both are opposite of one another. Now if gain of oxygen is oxidation, then what would be the opposite of it? Yes, you are right. Loss of oxygen. Then loss of oxygen in a chemical reaction will be termed as reduction. Now we will be talking about the hydrogen concept of oxidation and reduction. See, oxygen concept state that gain of oxygen is oxidation. Now in the hydrogen concept, the thing is gain of hydrogen in a chemical reaction is reduction, and opposite to that, loss of hydrogen is oxidation. Now third concept is the electron concept. Now what electron concept is? Electron concept states that loss of electrons is oxidation while gain of electrons is reduction. Now students often say that ma'am, it's quite confusing for us to remember whether the loss or gain of electron is oxidation. How we could just remember that? I have a trick for you. You may remember it by a very simple word, Leo. Have Leo into your mind, and it means L stands for loss, E stands for electrons and O stands for oxidation. So loss of electrons is oxidation, and opposite to that, gain of electron is reduction. So it is quite clear into our mind now that what oxidation and reduction reaction is. If there is a gain of oxygen, oxidation, loss of oxygen, reduction, gain of hydrogen, reduction, loss of hydrogen, oxidation. And with Leo, it is clear that loss of electrons is oxidation while gain of electron is reduction. Now how are these reactions, oxidation and reduction, related in the redox reaction? So, redox reaction is the one in which reduction and oxidation reactions takes place simultaneously, means a reaction in which both oxidation and reduction take place is termed as redox reaction. For example, if we have zinc oxide and to it we add carbon. We have zinc oxide and to it we have added carbon. It will result in the formation of zinc and carbon monoxide. Now look carefully. Before reaction, it is zinc oxide, and after reaction, we have zinc. Means before reaction there is oxygen, but after reaction there is no oxygen with zinc. Means there is loss of oxygen. And here we have carbon on the reactant side, while on the product side we have carbon monoxide. Means there is gain of oxygen. So what our oxygen concept states? It states that gain of oxygen is oxidation. So it is our oxidation reaction, while loss of oxygen is reduction, and this is our reduction reaction. And it is such a reaction in which both oxidation and reduction are taking place side by side. So it is a redox reaction. So this is the term here, that a reaction in which oxidation and reduction reactions both take side by side is termed as a redox reaction. So I really hope now you all can answer that what a redox reaction is.